GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is a language model developed by OpenAI. It is an advanced form of AI language processing that is trained on a massive amount of text data from the internet, enabling it to generate human-like text responses to various prompts. ChatGPT refers to the implementation of GPT-3 as a conversational AI model. It can generate text responses based on the input it receives, allowing it to participate in a conversation in a way that mimics human communication. The model has been trained on a diverse range of topics, including general knowledge, books, websites, and more, which enables it to respond to a wide range of questions and prompts with high accuracy and fluency. In summary, ChatGPT is a pre-trained language model that can generate text responses in a conversational manner, allowing it to participate in text-based conversations.